It might seem simple, but I promise when applied, makes a huge difference with your designs. Don't be too on the nose with fonts. Use fonts that correctly portray your message. So let's look at another like iconic brand, Audi, right? Audi are these Italian fast performance luxury, sometimes sports cars. Audi's known because of the look of the car. It's very rounded. It's very sporty. They don't have a ton of like hard angular lines. The cars are beautiful, very organic, very natural. And so the fonts that they use reflect what the cars look like. Here's another example, right? So here's their e-tron GT, the very fast looking sports electric car, right? And so you look at this font, it's kind of spread out. It's not super condensed. The lines are, it's kind of a squatty font. Yes, German. Sorry, I said Italian. They're definitely German. I said that when I said Italian, I was like, I hope no one noticed, but you did. Thanks, Judith. But the font's very squatty, right? Like a sports car. It's round, like their cars are. Like it just portrays the image of Audi very well. But you could easily, very easily think to yourself, oh, Audi, German cars are fast. So you know what I think their website needs? A fast font. Look how fast that is. Same words, completely different message. This is a luxury car website. This is a get well soon card that you get at Walgreens. Completely different. Just because the cars are fast, and this is a very fast image with these motion blur lines, doesn't mean you should use an on-the-nose fast font. It's completely different, right? Same here. So innovative design, electrifying performance. You might think to yourself, an electric car, digital, electronic. You know what this needs? A digital font. No. Don't be on the nose. There's a difference between this kind of font really portraying Audi and how their cars look and kind of their design philosophy while not being distracting, right? It keeps that visual cohesion and it's still extremely legible and easy to read. This is neither of those two things. But you might think off the top of your head, this is a great idea. It's an electric car. We should have electric font. Don't do it. It's a bad idea. And so going along with that, body fonts should be simple and complementary. So here we go again with our e-tron, right? What you probably don't notice about this design is the body font. And that's on purpose, right? It's complementary. It's easy to read. It's smooth. In no way does this body font stick out. There's that like cheesy quote that we all learned in design school. I don't remember who was by at this point. It's been so long, but it was like, good design is apparent, but great design is invisible. I don't remember who said it. Someone said that, right? Good design is apparent, great design is invisible. That's kind of true with like using body fonts as well. It shouldn't stick out. It should just blend in. It should complement everything else that you're doing, and it should be easy to read. So if we were to take this away, it might be too small on the screen to see now. But look at that. Like, right? You might think, oh yeah, cool, to just use like a script font. Adds a lot of contrast to the header font here, but don't do it. It's just like, it's hard to read. Body fonts should be subtle. They should be easy to read. They should be invisible. So use fonts that correctly portray your message.